Hello friends, this is Rahul Kulkarni from the Indian Scale Modeling, and this time we are going to see how you can buy scale model kits in India. So most of the scale model kits that I have purchased them internationally. There were very few sites in India that were selling scale models, which was like the remaining stock that they had, but the choices were very much limited. So as my hobby grew, as I learned the skills, I thought of getting scale models from outside, and that is where sites like eBay, PlazaJapan.com, HobbyEasy.com, and there are some vendors with whom I built a very nice rapport. They sell kits, especially from countries like Ukraine, Poland, and Singapore that I buy kits from. So I just get in contact with them. There is a certain kit that I need. I request it to them. They procure the kit and then they send it over to me. Scale modeling, a hobby that combines patience, precision, and endless online shopping. Today, I am going to share with you some of my favorite websites for buying scale model kits. Join me in this video as I will show you sites I frequently use to get good scale model kits at great prices with nice and safe shipping. First up, we have eBay.com. eBay is an online auction and sales website which is good for purchasing scale model kits. They have got everything from classic cars to cutting edge aircraft, all at prices that won't break the bank. Plus, their shipping is so fast you will have your next project before you finish your current one. Finding good deals on eBay requires patience. Start by deciding on a specific kit you want and create a watch list for it on eBay. Set up alerts on your phone so you are notified as soon as the kit that you want is listed for sale. Keep an eye on the newly listed search, as sometimes you will be the first to spot a good price or buy it now option. I have bought at least 50 kits over the years on eBay and only once I had a problem. You just need to buy from someone with a proper store, a high amount of completed transactions with a higher seller rating. I generally keep to sellers I know well and have bought too many times before. I have made meaningful business relationships with some of the good sellers as I had really good purchasing experience with them. Most of my kits come from China, Thailand, Poland, Ukraine and Japan. Occasionally from UK or Germany, especially for the Rebel and Airfix kits. Next we have HobbyEasy.com. I have ordered from HobbyEasy for over 20 times over the past 5 years without a problem. I always get what I order in a timely manner in perfect condition. Their prices and their selection cannot be beat. Their customer service is fast and courteous, very highly recommended. What I like about this site is you can select the currency denomination from the drop down here in Indian rupees. This is a good feature and helps to estimate how much it will cost in INR. I use HobbyEasy for bulk purchases of paints, modeling tools and consumables like glue, masking tape and airbrush accessories. Though I would like to suggest you to use PayPal while you purchase from them for hassle-free experience. Shipping time varies from a couple of weeks to 2 to 4 months based on the shipping cost. Now we have HobbyLink Japan, also known as HLJ. HLJ offers a vast selection of products in the realm of scale modeling. They have a wide range of model kits from various manufacturers, including rare and limited edition items. They also carry hobby supplies, paints and tools, making it a one-stop shop for hobbyists. The website is well organized and easy to navigate. Products are categorized logically and there are filters to help narrow down searches. The checkout process is straightforward. They offer multiple payment options. HLJ provides international shipping to many countries. They offer various shipping methods including economy and express options. Shipping costs are calculated based on the weight and destination of the package, and they provide estimates during the checkout process. Last but not the least, HLJ's prices are competitive and they often have sales and discounts on selected items. They also offer a private warehouse service, allowing you to consolidate orders and save on shipping cost. Next on the list we have plazajapan.com. This is my go-to site for buying Tamiya and Hasegawa kits, especially armor and cars. As always with Japanese companies, great packaging, very good protection. My items were very well packaged and even came with a cute dolphin eraser. The outside of the box had a note for the delivery person to make sure that my package was handled with care. I like how they include a cute little goodie and a thank you card when I buy from them. I am impressed by their customer service. The shipping is fast and reliable. Earlier, that is before COVID happened, they used to have Japanese economy shipping option, which I guess is stopped to India now. You can still check it out. Here we go now to 1999.k.jp. This is a Japanese model shopping site again. It's all in Japanese, so you have to translate the web page to English if you are using Chrome to understand what's written. I use this site to purchase armor and cars. My favorite thing about this site is you can see images of sprue and box art real close. This helps in getting an idea of the detail included in the kit. If you love figure painting and Gundam, this is a great site to purchase from. I have come across good prices on this one compared to earlier shopping sites. Shipping time is a bit more, like you can expect the order to reach you within 3 months from the date of purchase. Now we have something closer to our country, luckymodel.com. This is a hobby shop based out of Singapore. I order from them quite frequently. It is good to purchase modeling tools, paints and consumables. One point I would like to mention is only order items which have in-stock status. Anything with the blue available status means they don't have it in stock, but it may be available from their supplier or back order. There are a lot of items listed available, so beware. The last one we have is Ammo by MIG. I use this to buy Ammo by MIG acrylic paints. There are other products too, like glues, thinners, varnishes, chipping fluids, etc. What I like about this is the site sells color in sets. For example, if you are building a US modern aircraft, you will get a set that have the shades of grey, pun intended, that are available for USAF. Similar sets are available for Japanese, Cold War and World War II models as well. I like using Ammo by MIG paints. I had purchased a set back in 2017 and still have a lot of paint left. A word of experience though, stay away from primers, I did not like them. They clogged my airbrush multiple times even when I used them with their thinner. Maybe that was from the expired batch. And if you want to buy kits in India itself, there are some local shops who sell them online and you can search them on Google. Also we have Amazon.in, but buy kits from them if you are willing to sell your kidneys. The kits are way overpriced. Except for a few Airfix kits, I think there is a stock clearance pricing on them. I got few of them for a very good deal. So there you have it, my top picks for scale model shopping sites. Whether you are a seasoned modeler or just starting out, these sites are sure to have something that will be fancy. Happy shopping and may your next build be your best one yet. Signing out. Bye. So that is how you could buy scale model kits in India. Thank you. If you like the content I create, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for coming in.